We all want to become rich overnight, but that's impossible unless you win the lottery. I'm making that to become a millionaire, we all need to start somewhere. Warren Buffett started his career as a newspaper delivery boy from the Washington Post. Jeff Bezos began by flipping burgers. Yes, imagine how Jeff Bezos flipping burgers. My main point is that we all start from somewhere, whether flipping burgers or a decent job to build a starting capital before starting a side hustle or a business. I believe that the best age to start a business is your teenage one. And no, investing your parents' money, it's not a good idea to make money. First, you must generate money, and after that, invest smartly. After that, you can afford to fail as many times as you want to still succeed by getting a job if nothing works. Hello, my name is Vitan and you are in my business channel. So smash the like button and ring the bell to subscribe and to help to other people. I am a software engineer, and in today's video I will share 7 jobs that pay you over $15 per hour and are great to start from. So you get started on how complicated the jobs are and how much effort you have to put in for each of them. So here is a quick job that will help you to make millions. Smash the like button so I can continue creating quality content for you. In today's video, we will discuss these 7 jobs. First, how to become a transcriber. Second, data entry. Third, social media manager. Fourth, freelance writing. And the rest 3 ideas I will share later in this video. Let's start with number 1. How to become a transcriber. Becoming a transcriber can get you at least $15 to $25 per hour, depending on what you do. A transcriber is simply someone who turns audio into text. It's as simple as that. But Vitan, I don't know very good English. Don't worry, you can take a free version of Grammarly. It will help you to fix your scripts and it will not be a problem to work without perfect English. There are 2 ways to make money as a transcriber. The easiest way is to go to the website rev.com and apply to be a transcriber. There are other platforms. Truth, I found that Rev pays the best dollars per minute transcribed. You will give test audio to transcribe when you apply for the website. Once you are done with that, they will start offering you multiple jobs depending on whether you want to do for them. Some jobs pay more per minute transcribed, but on average is 40 cents up to $1 per audio minute transcribed. It's available in multiple countries and languages so that anyone can make money. YouTubers mainly use this platform like me, who wants to add captions to the YouTube videos, so there will always be jobs available on rev.com. Second way is to make captions for movies. An estimated 35% of online content viewers use subtitles when watching online content. Now 35% maybe will seem small for you, but that's a lot if you compare it to the number of people watching online content. There is a demand for this job as movies will forever keep released. You may think companies use automation to convert text to speech. Yes, some companies do that, but they will have someone who goes over the subtitles to entry video and correct it. Job number 2 is data entry. Everything has started to move online. This requires a lot of existing data to be transferred onto programs online. And this is where you can secure the bag. Many companies pay over $15 per hour to fill in data. The best things about data entry jobs is that it does not require you to have a college degree or a university degree from UK. You can get into the position if you have skills in Excel or other platforms the business use. For those who don't know how to use Excel, it's not that hard to learn at basics level. You need to watch some videos in YouTube, and I know you will learn Excel within a few hours. See what I've done there. The most important skill here is to have good focus and to make not any mistakes. I mean to have attention to detail. Companies hire people that have a good eye when it comes to more information. If you mess up just one and try, the whole data gets messed up, and no one wants to do that. So make sure you pay attention about that. The second important factor is your typing speed, as you will fill in data online. Some companies require you to type a certain speed. You can test your typing speed online and use websites to exercise to improve this skill. Just start and you will see that it's just something that you can improve with time. Test your typing speed and comment below. The third way to make more than $20 per hour is to work as a social media manager. It is full of people that need someone to help them with customer support or manage their social network. In addition, you can manage e-commerce, business pages or influencers. It's a good job because this is a rising niche complete with demand. So, what exactly does a social media manager? It is making posts, writing texts, reply to the clients. When we think of social media managers, we always think of individual influencers we need to manage. But this is not always the case. Many local businesses or shops have just started around the corner. You need to contact them and set up a deal where you start managing their social media accounts. For example, you could set updates or upload times, reply to a customer's queries, and boost the business reputation. Marketing is a valuable skill to have, as every company is willing to pay a reasonable amount for that service. Knowing how to send email campaigns and run ads is a massive deal for social media marketing. Companies are constantly looking out for people like you, as told you much value. The reason behind this is that you can bring so many loyal customers who would constantly buy their products for life. The most common way to get business to pay you is to learn about Facebook ads. If you can master how to run ads for business through Facebook, there is a lot of money. And if you want to learn how to do email marketing, you should try using MailChimp. It's free and most local businesses use it straightforward. But like there are always creative ways to market. And if you could master that, you would make more than you bargained. Idea number 4 is freelance writing. Yes, this job role pays a fortune. People are always looking for good writers. Look at me. I've been looking for a scripter for a long time, yet I've been getting no responses. So I guess I will have to continue scripting myself. But if you want to join this fantastic team as a content writer, drop me a DM or email us with support@smpro.net a video script. Freelancing as a writer, you can make more than $20 per hour depending on how good you are at writing. There are 2 critical types of writers you could become: a content writer and a copywriter. Content writer usually are the ones writing blogs or scripts for content creators. They are the creative heads behind the fantastic videos you see, like one I have behind the camera right now. Let's continue. The most important skill: content creations need to write in as many different styles. If you are able to master this, you will quickly get jobs as you can adapt to the creator's tone. Now, copywriting is where you make landing pages, or even newsletters feeds for a business. Your whole aim is to convince customers to buy products or services. Companies hire copywriters as they can be convincing and creative, helping the companies achieve their sales goals. They often get paid much more than $20 an hour. You can easily find jobs in this field. I searched for a content writer jobs and I got a tons of searches popping up. So if you want to join this field, I look forward to reading your work. Job number 5 is a website designer. As I mentioned in this video, business lost a lot of money during the pandemic due to not transformation online quickly. This is why there is an increase in the need for good website creators. Depending on your skills, you can easily make more than $20 per hour. You can set up your shop on Fiverr. Take this seller for an example. He charges $250 per website that he makes. That's a lot of money. The thing with website creation is that once you've mastered the skill, it becomes so easy to create websites. You can easily make over 4 websites in a week, so that's around $1,000 weekly. There are other places you can sell. If you not want to be seller on Fiverr, you can go to a local business that needs a website and set up a deal. The choice is yours. Just make sure you market yourself well and you will be making money in no time. The next one is a video editor. Even if you don't have a ton of experience editing videos, if you spend a day or two on YouTube looking up tutorials, you can learn enough to get started. This is an excellent skill because so many people are trying to produce video content and add that to the content they already make, that there are a ton of videos and people looking for video editors. Job number 7 is affiliate manager. This is position for someone who manages the affiliate program. This is usually a referral program. An affiliate manager just do publisher works behalf on advertiser. They will recruit new affiliates, manage them onboarding process, and ensure their audience are aligned with your target market. They also help with existing affiliates to answer their questions, address queries, and resolve any issues that they may having. An affiliate manager also creates and implements the strategy agreed with the advertiser. Finally, they will recommend the best way to approach a campaign and maximize results based on best practice and experience. So, those were the 7 online jobs you could apply for, but make sure you choose one and focus it to get some experience and money from that field. Don't miss my video, how to start eBay dropshipping from scratch in 2022. If you want to work for yourself before you click over, hit that like button and subscribe before to see me again. Thank you.